kick-off 2020 ng JC Premier. And now, papakita namin ang bagong-bagong Mustang ng aming upline, Mentor Cynthia Peralta. Wow! Grabe! Power! 3 months pa lang to 4 months. May Mustang na. Oh my gulay. O diba? And of course, the gold Mustang of our upline, Mentor Pin Sahagun from Team Advocate, Change Club. And of course, the chosen, our grand upline, Ken Elda. Actually, tatatlo lang yan ng mga sports car nila, but meron pa silang mga bago na ipapakita. So, welcome to the good life. Attend na kayo. Dito kami ngayon, okay? Maya-maya mag-start ang events with our team, Maribik, the core group. Yan. So, ito, si Nimpala Chika. Yan.
Hello, Mustang ng aking
Yes, grabe power si Arnold. Yan. Grabe power. Okay, pasok na muna kami. Mamaya ulit.